us every day. I is for iguana, iguana, iguana. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for kingfisher, 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 kingfisher. L is for lion, lion, lion. Sing and jump, shout, hooray! Animals teach us every day. M is for molo, 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 and N, mole, molo. N is for narwhal, and then narwhal, and narwhal, and narwhal. O is for ostrich, oh ostrich, oh ostrich, oh ostrich. P is for parrot, 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 parrot. Dance and twirl, sing and play. Animals teach us every day. Q is for quokka, 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 quokka. R is for raccoon, raccoon, raccoon. X is for shark, X is shark, 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 shark. T is for tortoise, 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 tortoise. Run and jump, sing and sway. Animals teach us every day. U is for Yuguzu, Uguzu, Uguzu, ooh, ooh. V is for vampire, the vampire, vampire, vampire. U is for whale, 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 whale. X is for Xantus, 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 Xantus. Buzz and chirp, sing and play. Animals teach us every day. Y is for yellow jacket, yellow jacket, yellow jacket. Z is for zebu, 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 zebu. Jump and clap, laugh and play. Animals teach us every